So we're out here starting a new project. We're going to be doing some demolition today, taking out this screen room here and also the upstairs balcony area up top there. So here's the top side of the roof. Pretty nasty looking. Got the flashing here. Not really doing much. Gonna take that all out. Remove the kick plate. Got the bottom section, the screen room area all ripped out. We're gonna put a new deck on there. Well, we're not putting the new deck, we're just tearing out the screen room, but the new deck's gonna go on after this.
What? That 1x2 has nothing on every side of what's over there.
Alright, that's it. The demo has been all done. Took down the upstairs with the balcony area picket. Had the picket going across there. And we removed the screen room so they can work on all the wood. And then we can come back and put in the new screen room. All right, so we're back over here and we're working on the screen room and the upstairs balcony area with the picket railing. We're gonna start on the screen room today, building the front wall and getting everything laid out so that way we can prefab everything and then stand it up and screw it down, and then put the header up, get the Elite roof in, and that's the next step of this process. And we'll just be doing some videos along the way to, you know, kind of showcase what steps we take to set everything up. And we're installing the flashing across the front of the wood here to keep the wood from rotting out, and make a nice mating surface for the new header. So we're gonna add the kick plate along the side here, and also across the front like we already did here. We took off the old stuff and now we're putting in the new stuff. All right, so we got the roof on, we got the front wall built. Coming along nicely. You got the new flashing here put up here on the, I'll cover the wood. The new kick plate coil. Got the 3-inch insulated roof. Now we're gonna start building the sidewalls in. Alright, so we got the kick plate on the front done. We still got to build the sidewall in. We're working on the other sidewall over here. It's coming along nicely. So there's the right side of the room, or left side depending on how you look at it, I guess, but this side's all finished up. Screen's all in. Got the gutter on. Pretty much everything's done except for drying in the roof a little bit because it's been raining on us, but all the screen room itself is all finished up. And then next week we'll be starting on the balcony area upstairs. They're getting all the, we got all the wood deck done up there, so we're gonna start building all that in up there. Yeah, we used the Nylotech screws here on this one. Look at those screws, nice, they won't rust. Alright, so we're working on the upstairs balcony area today, and we're putting in the picket here, and we're making the handrail. Everything will be screened to the inside like the end panel here. We got all the uprights in. We're going to be putting the rest of the chair rail in tomorrow, but we got all this built in today. What a nice view from the balcony. And that's the finished product. New upstairs balcony, all screened in. Got the new picket along the three foot picket going across the bottom there to keep everybody from falling off the balcony area. So it's for safety reasons. And all new aluminum and screen and caulked everything in. So looks nice.